An important part of your catering business is being able to create kitchen production reports so that you and your employees know what's going out, what to keep on hand, and when it needs to be ready. Our software makes this easy for you so that you're not spending hours and hours on recipes. You'll start by going to Admin. You'll scroll to the bottom and select Configure Kitchen and Production Report Settings. From there, you'll go to Build a Kitchen Production Report. You'll find the item that you're looking for. Once it's selected, you'll press Proceed. What you see here are your editing options broken down by general prep items for options, and prep items for extra choices. Under general prep items for this example, you'll see things like paper plates that automatically come with this item. You can add other items by going to Add Formula. You'll mark the quantity and units and select the item itself. You can select an existing item, or if it's a new item, you'll press Add New Prep Item. You can also specify whether you round units and which prep station it goes to. Once that's done, you'll press Save. You can also change items that are already in there. If you want to delete an item, you'll press Delete. If you want to edit, you'll press Edit. Just like with adding a new item, you'll change whatever information you want and press Save. The same process applies for the prep items for options. You can see the meat choices, side choices, and dessert options. If you look under each category, you can see what prep items you need. So for pork, you'll need a 1/3 pound of pulled pork per person and full aluminum pans. You can add items to what's needed by selecting Add Formula, or edit what's already there by selecting Edit. You'll have the same criteria as before and press Save when you're done. Not only does this apply to more simple items like a slab of ribs or paper plates, but you can also break down the specific recipes needed for each item. If you go to something like coleslaw, you can see you'll need the coleslaw dressing and the shredded cabbage. If you want to change the recipe, you can go to Specific Item and change the amount per unit, or you can add more ingredients if you need to with Add Formula. The same process applies for extra choices. You can view what's needed, add items as needed, and edit accordingly. It's the same easy process for each item. This part of our software makes it simple to build formulas and recipes so that you'll be able to pull up a kitchen production report to know what you'll need to fill your orders.